It's me, Alice. I'm gonna show you guys my textbook because I got nothing to do right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my textbook. Let's start with my math book. Oh, heavy. Not as heavy as my literature book. Yeah, see, it's my mathematics book. Yeah. So what I'm learning about right now, chapter 1, lesson 3, and there is an answers for the odd numbers. We have to figure the odd numbers out, and do the even numbers. So that's all I'm going to show you in this book. Now, let's go with, let's see, Earth science. Here is the periodic table of elements. Yeah, so that's that. Now we're going to do it with my heavy literature book. So, you guys should read. Oh my gosh. Tuesday of the other June. It's a really awesome book. See that girl right there in that picture? Her name is June. Yeah. So, let's see. This is my ancient world history book. Here, see. Here is the picture of, that picture. Lucy. Right here. You should read the story. It's a really interesting story. So that's that. And those books. Hope you guys like my textbooks. Bye. Peace.